Hey guys, Xiaomi's next flagship will come with a new operating system called HyperOS. Xiaomi is retiring MIUI after 13 long years and replacing it with a brand new OS. Upcoming Xiaomi 14 series will be based on HyperOS. Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun announced today. HyperOS is a new smartphone OS that combines Android and Xiaomi self-developed Vela system. Initially, HyperOS will be launched on China version Xiaomi phones. When asked whether HyperOS will be available international as well, Li Ju say yes. Rolling out also 2024. By the way, Ju did not share any details about the new OS. Well, look like, and we also don't have any details on the feature. Hopefully we get all the details as soon as possible. Xiaomi new HyperOS. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.